Thank you for visiting FamilyHomePlans.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can search for a multi-family home, like a duplex, triplex, or quadplex. So once you go to FamilyHomePlans.com, you're going to navigate up here to where it says multifamily and click the button. You'll see that you can search multifamily plans. You can see previous searches, newest searches, and then you can look at different searches based on the number of plans, including duplex, 3-unit, 4-unit, 8-unit, and more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click up here where it says multifamily and search, and that'll bring up all the search results of the different plans that we have at FamilyHomePlans.com. Now this is going to give any size of building and any number of units. If you like one of the ones you see initially, you can add those to your saved plans. Click Quick View to see more details, or you can refine your search on the left side of the page, which is what we're going to do now. So I'm going to select how many units I want. In this case, I'm looking for duplexes. I can look for how many square feet I'm looking for. Now this is a total square footage of the home, so it could be a minimum of, let's say, 2,000 square feet to a maximum of 3,000 square feet. If you notice at the bottom of the search form here, it shows how many plans meet those criteria. In this case, it's 279, which is a little bit more plans than I want to look through. So I'm going to narrow it down and do a search by bedrooms. Now this is total bedrooms for both units. So if you want one unit to have 2 bedrooms and the other one to have 2 bedrooms, you would do 4. If I wanted one to have 2 and one to have 3, I could do a max search of 5, and that'll show any results within that range. Next, I can select if I want 1 story or 2 story or 3 stories. In this case, I'm just going to go with 1 story, and you can choose whether you want a garage. Now I have 81 plans to look at. This includes plans with a garage bay, so I'm going to leave the garage bays off at this point just to see what's available. If I needed to whittle it down even more, I can click on Advanced Search, and you can select plans within a certain width and depth, and that's for homes on a smaller lot or a lot that's defined by setbacks. You can choose what type of foundation type, and you can even search for plans with special features like formal dining room, a fireplace, second floor laundry, first floor master bedroom, and plans with a materials list or that come available with a CAD file. And since these plans, 81 is pretty good for me, I'm going to click on Search Plans, and it's going to show me the results. At this point, if I want more details, but I didn't want to do a new search or leave the page, I'll click on Quick View and see what is special about this plan. I'll look at the floor plan, look at the rear elevation if it's available, and the main elevation, as well as look at the specifications and pricing. If I like this plan, I can click Add to Cart. If I want a little bit more information, I would click on More Details, and that would take me to the detail page. Let's say this plan isn't the right one for me. I can click the X at the top and go back to my search results and just keep on scrolling from here. That's how you search plans for multiplex plans at FamilyHomePlans.com.